Can you imagine a phone that folds not once, but twice? Get ready, because Samsung is about to change the future of smartphones forever with the revolutionary Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. This isn't just a phone, it's the beginning of a brand new era in mobile technology. The moment you see it unfold, you'll realize this is not just innovation, it's pure science fiction turning into reality. The Galaxy Z Trifold is Samsung's next big masterpiece that's rumored to launch in mid-2025, and trust me, it's going to leave every other foldable in the dust. Let's dive deep into this stunning piece of technology that's ready to redefine what a smartphone can be. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold features a never-before-seen triple folding display. Yes, you heard that right. A display that bends at two hinges, allowing you to switch between a compact phone and a massive tablet in seconds. The main display is a breathtaking 7.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel when fully opened, offering a 120 Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or multitasking across 3 apps simultaneously, the experience is going to be absolutely next level. And thanks to Samsung's new Flex Panel AI, the phone automatically detects how you're using it and adjusts the layout perfectly for your needs. Imagine watching YouTube on one side, browsing the web on another, and chatting with friends all at the same time without a single lag. Now let's talk about power, because this beast is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor with advanced AI integration. Samsung's new Galaxy AI engine has been upgraded to handle real-time translation, AI photo editing, and intelligent app prediction so your phone feels like it knows you better than ever. The Galaxy Z Trifold packs an enormous 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM options and up to 1 TB of internal storage, making it one of the most powerful smartphones ever made. And that's not all. The battery is rumored to be a massive 5,500 mAh dual-cell unit with ultra-fast 65W wired charging and 35W wireless support. Samsung claims it can charge from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, which sounds insane for a foldable phone of this size. Moving on to the camera setup, Samsung is bringing its flagship-level photography to the Trifold series. It's expected to feature a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP periscope telephoto camera with up to 10x optical zoom. But the real magic lies in the new AI-enhanced image processing system that adjusts every shot for lighting, tone, and clarity automatically. The front-facing camera, hidden under the display, ensures a full-screen experience while giving you crisp 4K selfies and smooth video calls. Performance-wise, this phone is a total monster. With Samsung's new cooling system and adaptive refresh rate technology, gaming and multitasking have never felt this fluid. The Galaxy Z Trifold runs on One UI 7.5 based on Android 16, featuring improved multitasking animations, smoother gestures, and deeper integration with Galaxy AI features like Note Assist, chat translation, and live transcript. And here's where things get even more exciting. Samsung might surprise fans with an exclusive AI Flex mode that turns the phone into a mini laptop when folded in a specific angle. Yes, imagine editing videos, writing documents, or even streaming in desktop mode without needing a computer. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is rumored to launch around August 2025, and its pricing could start around $1,999, placing it in the premium flagship range. But for what it offers, it's a futuristic device worth every cent. And here's a surprise for those watching till the end. Rumor says Samsung might bundle a free Galaxy Watch 7 with the first 10,000 pre-orders. So, if that's true, this deal could blow your mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Stay tuned because the future of smartphones is unfolding right before your eyes, and trust me, the Galaxy Z Trifold is just the beginning.